What's up, everybody? It's Earl at mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. Pony time, 1968 Ford Mustang 302. High performance, high rise manifold. 4-barrel. MSD. Nice and clean engine bay. All your hoses and belts and wires are good. Nice little aluminum radiator. Body's in real good shape. Seems to be all original panels. This is matched up with a 5-speed Tremec manual transmission. Really gives it a nice feel. Runs out real good. And for a little fun, you've got the tack on the hood. All your chrome and lights are working. The lower valance is working nicely. Everything lines up the way it should. Your glass and wipers are working correctly. Well, not your glass, but your wipers are. American racing wheels. Great gaps in it. All original quarters. Great sound. 9-inch rear end with a 355 gear. Original welds, spare tire, trunk's in good shape. It's got some patina on some of the chrome in the back, but it's in good shape. It's got a great stance. 78,000 miles. Pony up. Real straight body. Iconic. Love the lines. No break, no dents. A couple little paint flaws here and there. It is a driver quality car, but a little bit better than that. Antenna seems like you're gonna need an antenna. It looks like it's broken off, but that's nothing. Just a great, great look all the way throughout. It's located at our warehouse in Addison with the other 260 cars we've got loaded up inside. Interior's in good shape. Back seat belts, little 6x9s on the back. Interior's in really good shape with a center console, 5-speed manual. Door panels are all good, nice and clean. No rust to be found. Dashboard's good. And your headliner's real tight, everybody. Really nice. We'll go around to the other side real quick, take a look. All our cars are on our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Photos, videos, descriptions, as well as our pricing. So nice, that gaps. That's right, it's got all original panels. It's got a little bit of this on their chrome rear window. Little patina. 78,819 miles on the odometer. Dash is in good shape. Everything on your gauges seem to be working properly, so that's good. Nicely done, little upgraded sound system. We do offer financing if you have good credit, up to 180 months with a minimum down of 10%. And we do ship all over the United States, bonded and insured. Like I said before, we are located in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Our hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and Saturday from 10 to 2. We are open by appointment only. If you have any questions on any of the cars we have in our inventory, You could always go to our website and then give me a call, or just give me a call and I could help you out. Shipping, financing, this 68 Ford Mustang 302 with a Tremec 5-speed. I could be reached at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Always got new videos coming out daily. I know you people love looking at these cars. I am in the same boat as you. I love looking at them and doing them. So if you're interested in this, give me a shout. Let's get this in someone's house. It's a real nice 68 Ford Mustang 302 5-speed car now. Thanks, everybody.